Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Serv Robotics up to $17.60. Hit a high, pulled back a little bit, but I believe this is headed towards 20. For those of you who have been keeping track of this channel and everything I talk about, I told you if we break 15, just like SoundHound, it's going to head to 20. If we break 20, we will get to 24, 25. That was the previous high. Do not underestimate the ability of these AI stocks to pull back and then explode yet again. This has been happening over and over again for the past month. For the past month, AI stocks have been getting a lot of love, a lot of volume. They pump. They have a big red candle. They continue to pump. People love buying the dips on these. And remember, Nvda is personally invested in Serv Robotics along with SoundHound AI. And if they haven't sold, that tells you that they still see much more value out of Serv Robotics. In the future, they believe that it's worth more than where it's at right now. I don't know when will imagine Nvda doesn't sell yet and they hold it to 1,000. Imagine, but they're investing for a reason. They're not trading it. They're invested in Serv Robotics and SoundHound for a reason. So do not underestimate. Do not underestimate the potential that Serv Robotics brings with its AI machines that deliver food. I don't think we have those here in the Midwest. I think those are in California, no? If I recall. But we'll see if they come to the Midwest. I would be very excited to walk out my door and be like, hey, my Taco Bell has been delivered to me right to my door by a machine. This is interesting. It's going to be so weird, right? When you think about it. You know, DoorDash made it so that a guy brings you your food and drops it off. Now it's not even going to be a dude. It's just going to be a machine. You walk outside and you just, I guess, press some buttons. It scans your ID. I don't know how they work, but boom, there's your food. And goodbye, robot, I guess. Maybe you give it a high five. I don't know. It's just, the companies are already finding a way to replace the human. I know, it's scary to think about it. Like, oh my God, he's right. They're going to replace DoorDash drivers. I imagine that's the ultimate goal. Sure, right now it's just last mile delivery, but ultimately, if you can have something delivered much cheaper and AI can do it just as well as a human, well, now you've removed the human element. Now you don't have to pay a human money to get the job done. Now you'll save a lot of money, and it's all about the bottom line, right? That's why a lot of people are upset with healthcare. That one healthcare CEO, United Health, yeah, because it's all about the bottom line. It's all about the profits. So if we can replace humans with a machine, my company's gonna make hand over fist money that year. That happens, where I can replace all the humans, not have to pay them hourly or any kind of wage, and the machine can do it for me. Sure, there's gonna be some cost with regards to having the upkeep and the maintenance of the machines, but ultimately a machine is still going to be cheaper to run compared to having to hire, this pooping, eating, must have a life outside of the job humanoid, I guess. I don't know. Why am I talking like this? I don't know why I'm talking like this. But the point is, the future will be that, unfortunately. We are going to get replaced. Not everyone, but I imagine a lot of jobs and a lot of people it's going to be pretty ugly. I don't know how we're going to figure this out when we get to the point where machine completely replaces us in every facet and can do what we can do but better. So that's just, I don't know. I just got pretty grim here. Maybe I've been drinking too much, but I just got pretty grim there. I know. It's pretty grim future. Machines are going to replace everyone. So, Serv Robotics, long-term, great long-term hold. If Nvda is holding, you should be holding, in my opinion. And I just don't see how humans can surpass machine. Machine has already surpassed us in so many ways. And it will do so in every facet of our lives, unfortunately. But with regards to the stock market, we can take advantage of that by buying the companies that are investing, that put their money into research and development so that they can create the best AI solutions And the problem they're solving, because it's a solution, the problem they're solving is I have to pay a human a lot of money to get the job done. And they're trying to replace us. That's really what it comes down to. So if you want to take advantage of the huge profits and the quarter-over-quarter and year-over-year increase in revenues, then Serv Robotics is the way to go. At least for food delivery. Because this is just the food delivery side of things. This is the food delivery side of things. And I know people are going to make fun of it. Oh, it just all it does is food delivery. Well, DoorDash, all it is it's a company about delivering food. And let's just take a quick look here at the share price. Real quick, let's just have a good laugh. The share price is at $176. Yeah, all it does is deliver food, but look at that share price. We go to the weekly, and the share price hit a low of 41 before reaching a high of 180. Hit a top of 257. So do not underestimate a stock in its company just because it works with the food, within the food sector, within the food industry. I know a lot of people like to make fun of these companies. Oh, all it does is work with food. Oh, well, sir, you look at Domino's Pizza here. I'm going to look at Domino's Pizza stock. And guess what? It's just pizza, right? Who would invest in pizza stock? Pizza stock is a joke. But the share price of Domino's Pizza is sitting at $446.70. $446. This is what investors value Domino's Pizza at. It's just pizza, right? You can't have such a small brain. You got to think long term. You got to think of the potential of AI. We're still in the infancy stage. So with regards to Serv Robotics, and I know I'm repeating myself at this point, but I think it's worth mentioning and repeating over and over again until it's drilled into your head that Serv Robotics is the future of food delivery. And the problem they're trying to solve is you, the delivery driver. Because you cost money they got to pay you, and they don't want to pay you. They want to replace you. I want to replace you. Okay, no, I don't know. I don't know what I'm saying at this point. I think I've had too many drinks. All right, that's it for the video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I will see you in the next Serv Robotics video. Again,